Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for a ginger and Guinness bread. So sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. So we take some Guinness and we add it to a saucepan, and to that then we're going to add some black treacle. We're going to give that a stir around, just bring it to the boil until the treacle melts and the Guinness is all incorporated. Now we'll let that cool down a bit, and then we're going to add some baking soda, give it a stir around and let it foam up. It's like an experiment, it does expand, but just let it sit there for about 10 minutes. So while our treacle is and Guinness mixture is sitting, we're going to make our batter. So we get some eggs, crack them into a bowl. Then we're going to add some brown sugar, some white sugar, and we'll give that a quick whisk around. Just whisk it until it nearly doubles in size and the colour changes until like a white colour. So folks, if you're enjoying my videos, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. It does help the channel and it means I can make further videos for you. So as you can see, it's doubled in size, starting to thicken up, and the colour has completely changed. Now to that we're going to add some vegetable oil. And again give that a whisk around just until it's all incorporated. Now we'll set that to the side and we'll bring in our mixing bowl. So to the mixing bowl we're going to add some all-purpose flour, some baking powder, some cinnamon, ground ginger, cloves, nutmeg, some diced ginger, and we'll give that a mix round. So now we'll set that to the side and we'll bring in our egg mixture from earlier. So now that our treacle mixture has cooled down, we're going to add it to the egg mixture. Just add it slowly, continuously stirring just to make sure that everything gets all incorporated together. Now we'll set that to the side and we'll bring back our flour mixture. We're just going to mix these two together until it forms a batter that we can use for baking the bread. So just take our hand whisk and whisk it in. If you don't have a hand whisk, obviously an ordinary whisk will do. Hand whisk just makes it a whole lot easier. So now that that's all mixed in, we're going to take over 2 bread tins which have been lined with some greaseproof paper. And we'll just pour the batter in. Bring it up to about an inch from the top, because obviously this will expand whenever it's being cooked. Now we take it over to our preheated oven. We pop them in for about an hour and then we can just check them then. Don't open this until maybe 10 minutes before the end to check them, because they will sink. So after an hour, as you can see, our bread has risen and we're just going to check it. We'll just take them out. We'll take a skewer, we'll pop it in the middle And if the skewer comes out clean, our Guinness and gingerbread is ready to serve. So we set these on a wire rack, let them cool for about 10 or 15 minutes, and then we just slice it up, put it onto a plate. Now I'm serving mine with some Guinness ice cream. So folks, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Again, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my further videos.